Sa Pilipinas ay mayroong 38.6% ng adults aged 20 to 59 ang diagnosed as obese or overweight. Maaari ito makadulot ng health problems katulad ng heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, liver disease, sleep apnea, and certain cancers. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, meron tayong solusyon at kaya natin itong iwasan. Narito ang Glutagen 10-in-1 Coffee Drink Mix. Ito ay may collagen, glutathione, Ricina cambogia, stevia extract, L-carnitine, chia seeds, green coffee extract, alkaline, coffee, and green tea. Maaari nitong i-improve ang insulin insensitivity, skin and hair, powerful appetite suppressant, metabolism booster, prevent heart disease, improve digestive health, and promote weight loss. Proper diet plus exercise at Glutagen Coffee, you can achieve a healthier you sa halagang 270 pesos. Be the best version of yourself. Drink Glutagen 10-in-1 Coffee Mix, product of Global Care Pro Wellness Enterprises.